Hello, parents. I'm back. We were talking about how to stretch a sentence. Remember, a sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. And we talked about some games that you can play with your scholars at home to teach them how to create sentences and how to stretch sentences. So we are going to use this game called sentence building. All right? So I'm going to go ahead and get my materials together. All right, so I have my material, and as you can see, these are little puzzle pieces. They have some nouns with pictures on them. They have some sentence starters as well as pronouns inside of here. It also has punctuation pieces, and then, of course, we have some pieces with verbs on them. All right, so we talked about in the earlier video that you can use a graphic organizer to help your scholar track their thoughts. We're going to start off by choosing a puzzle piece from our noun pile to help us go ahead and begin our sentence. So we have dog, girl, house, park, school, and tree. I think I want to go ahead and choose dog. So I'm going to place the other ones to the side, but I need to begin my sentence. And I think that I'm going to use the word the or a. And so I think I'm going to say the dog. Now I need to choose a verb. What is the dog doing? So let me look at my verbs. The dog look. Does that make sense? Yeah, no. The dog play. I don't know if I want to use dog now. The dog play. I would need it to say the dog plays. So that wouldn't go. So let me use something else. Let me use the girl. What does the girl do? The girl can, and then play. And then, of course, I want to use my sentence. And then, now that I have my puzzle pieces together, I can read it. The girl can play. And then I have my punctuation. So then I ask my scholar, does this make sense? The girl can play. Yes, it makes sense. But when I had I think I used dog. A dog play did not make sense. And that was simply because a dog play, it doesn't tell me that he plays or what the dog specifically played with. So a better sentence was the girl can play. And then I made sure I had my punctuation. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add it to my graphic organizer. My who is the girl. What is the girl doing? She can play. Does it tell where she plays? No, it doesn't. Now I'm going to read my sentence to make sure it makes sense. I'm going to make sure I have a capital letter at the beginning. I'm going to make sure I have punctuation at the end. The girl can play. Does that make sense, scholars? Yes, it does. Now I am going to go ahead and I'm going to write my sentence correctly on the line. I'm going to make sure my sentence begins with a capital letter, and also I'm going to make sure my sentence ends with punctuation. The finger space girl finger space can finger space play. What do I need to make sure I put at the end, scholars? Yes, punctuation. Then read the sentence at the end. The girl can play. So, parents, when you finish, you should have a finished product that looks similar to this. You have utilized the graphic organizer to tell who did what and where. Once your scholars have filled in the graphic organizer, then you can go ahead and fill in the sentences at the bottom. So remember, with this game, you have lots of puzzle pieces that your scholars can put together and create those sentences. You can utilize any graphic organizer that you want to ensure that they are able to create those sentences and then add it to the graphic organizer to ensure that they have the correct parts of the sentences needed. This is how you teach your scholars how to stretch sentences. Remember, you don't have to start off large. You can start as small as I see. Okay? So you can start off as small as I see. Don't forget to add your punctuation at the end so that they know that there is a noun and a verb to show the subject part, which is I, and the predicate part, which is see. Once you have the basics, parents, then you are able to utilize and stretch sentences as large as you want them. This is Mrs. Adams coming to you today with another strategy for Parent University. Thanks for watching, and I hope that this helped you. Thanks. Bye.